As we get closer to Christmas Day, I'm trying to get more and more done and more planned for the day itself. I wanted to give this French toast casserole recipe a try. It's a great recipe for Christmas morning because you make it ahead of time and let it refrigerate overnight and then bake it in the morning. You begin by chopping up a loaf of bread. It's best with stale bread because it really soaks up the egg mixture well and the bread doesn't fall apart. Next, you mix together the batter and pour it over the top. Later on, I'll make the topping and bake it. This door is between our kitchen and the steps to our backyard and basement. I like to decorate it in the winter time with a chalk marker. The nice thing is that your drawings can be a little messy, but they still look cute. And if you don't like what you've drawn, it's easy to remove with window cleaner. My mom brought over a bunch of pine cones and faux berries that she's collected from old wreaths and decorations. I thought they'd make a nice little bouquet in our entryway. It's not fancy, but it adds just a little more holiday cheer to the entry. My mom also gave me these silver snowflakes that I thought I would add to this shelf since it's sort of a wintry snow theme. Santa faces are one of my favorite things to paint. I'm not sure why. I think it's because they're a little silly. I wanted to put this in a frame and found a little frame in our basement, but needed to trim the picture to fit. A few presents that needed wrapped. I'm trying to stay on top of wrapping because I usually wait until Christmas Eve and stay up late wrapping presents, but this year I wanted to make it a little more peaceful and less hectic on Christmas Eve. I think a lot of homemaking is about thinking of our future self. My future self does not want to wrap presents at midnight on Christmas Eve, so I'm doing it ahead of time to take away some of the stress. I like to add a little personal touch to Christmas wrapping. I had these dried eucalyptus branches and thought that with a pine cone or faux berries, they made a great topper for gifts. I think doing the wrapping ahead of time, I'm also able to put a little more thought and care into the wrapping instead of rushing to get it all done. After the French toast casserole had soaked in the refrigerator overnight, you create the topping, which is a mixture of butter, flour, sugar, and spices. I added a little cardamom because it's one of my favorite winter spices for baked goods. After it baked, I topped it with blueberries we picked this summer that I warmed up. This is a really lovely recipe, perfect for Christmas morning. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and please subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.